Hello everybody, how is everybody doing? This is Jeremy. It's a bit of a mess in here right now. And this is gonna be my first clip of my animal series of the house. Oh my goodness. So, let me just get started on this. Introducing all the animals. This is Keisha. This is Keisha, my lizard. Chinese water dragon, and this is her cage. And she just ate a few minutes ago, so I think she's nice and satisfied. And I'll turn on her lamp for her. See, there she is. I swear, man, sometimes I think she's crazy. I mean, really. It's a bit dark down here. It's an alarm. That's Reggie. And Reggie. And Tucker. And Tucker the cat. And down here, probably most people's favorites. This is the 4-foot-long ball python Boots. Boots. He's a good snake. He just recently got bit by a big albino rat and got a little bit of a cut on the back of his neck, but we took care of that rat. So, yeah. Okay, and well, that was that. Thanks for watching, and I guess I'll be back with more. Bye.